Hi all, Matt's here, and I'd like to talk to you today about my helmet. I've been working on the beard here. I put some epoxy sculpt in last night. Yeah, I know this thing's been sitting around for like, what, 4 months now? You know, being domestic and having a career and stuff takes up a lot of time, so I haven't been able to work on this as much as I would like to, but it's getting to be crunch time. It's July now. Halloween is not even 4 months away. So I've gotten back to work on this. I have to, yeah, well, focus there. Clean up that beard. See, now the little tubes are, I don't know if that's showing up on camera. They're not all perfectly round. Like, this guy right here is a little squished. And that's from when it printed. I tried using the tree supports on that part. It just didn't turn out well. I've been working a little bit on the teeth there, just chipping out the little textured stuff in between there in those little recessed areas. I'm going to continue to do that. I think I'm going to keep it smooth in the middle. I know in the last video I talked about maybe putting a screen material or a mesh material behind there, but I think I'm just going to keep it smooth. I have to fill in these little tiny gaps here and a couple places on the helmet where I think the model was just a little bit too thin in those places in the computer, and so the printer and the slicing software just made them holes. Thankfully enough of the material, you know, together that it's not a big problem, but I am gonna have to fill in those little gaps. But that's where we stand. I'm gonna keep working on this, and I'll come back to you with another update quite soon. Thanks for tuning in.